So now moving on to assignment 6, competition research. Competition research is very important for SEO. As I always say, SEO is a race and you just need to run faster than your competition. So we need to understand the strength and weakness of the competition to prepare for the strategy, to prepare for the effort needed. So there are a couple of things which we do in competition research. The first being backlink research, backlink analysis. So we understand how strong the backlink profile of competitor is, which can be encapsulated by DR, which is domain rating. So let's say a domain rating of 50, 60 means very strong competition, very strong backlink profile, whereas a domain rating of 20, 30 means a weaker backlink profile. So based on the DR of your competition, you can decide how many backlinks you have to create. Another thing which is very important is amount of content they have, which we decide by, which we gauge by number of pages which have been indexed. I'll show you subsequently how that is done. Uh, but however, these are not just the only things. We do need a deeper analysis. For example, it's not just about the number of pages, it's also about the quality of pages, right? Then in competition research, there's also keyword research. So where you enter the URL, let's say using tools like Ahrefs, and understand for what keywords they are ranking, what is their rank, what kind of traffic they are getting, what kind of pages are ranking. So all that analysis is also done. However, for the scope of the assignment, we'll just identify a few metrics which we can easily get using some free tools. So the first metric is DA. DA is a metric by Moz, which essentially tells us the likelihood of a website to rank. So let's go to moz.com/domain analysis. I'll share the links, and you can enter the domain here. I've just randomly taken up some players, some keywords, and I can just click on check DA, and it will tell you the DA score. I personally do not prefer DA. I think it's too erratic. Sometimes good website will have a poor DA and vice versa. However, this is a term which is commonly used in the industry. So see, these are the kind of results which we are getting. Domain authority of 25. These many websites are linking to Emoha. It is ranking for about 1700 keywords, 1700, and the spam score is 8. And some other data which you are getting for free. So the next part of the question is DR, which is domain rating. This you get from Ahrefs. Here also you can enter the URL, click on check authority, and you will get some data. So see, this data popped up, which is domain rating is 35, about 2600 backlinks you are getting, and from about 651 domains. So the next part of the question is traffic estimate of competitors. For this also again we'll go to Ahrefs, which is a traffic checker. We'll enter the name of the player, click on check traffic, and then it will give us the organic data, the traffic value, and some other data. So you can repeat this for multiple competitions you have and get the idea of the competitors. If you had a paid tool for Ahrefs or a higher plan for SEMrush, then we can do this in bulk. So we can upload up to 100 or 200 websites at one go, and we'll get all the details in bulk. But this free tool is also good. Now the second question, estimate the number of pages the competitors that are indexed by Google. This is very simple. Just go to your Chrome browser or google.com, type site colon the name of the website. Remember to remove HTTPS or anything. Just simple without www HTTPS, and press enter. Okay. And now you'll have to click on tools here, and on the right hand side you will see the number of results which are there. So this gives us about the estimate number of pages which are indexed by Google. So the more these pages are, that means the more pages are ranking, and more content the competition has written.